distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, good morning, and a warm welcome to everyone joining us at the Asia Healthcare Innovation Summit on the second day of the Start Me Up Hong Kong Festival 2022. I'm delighted to join you all today, and I'm looking forward to the very timely and meaningful discussions from today's summit. Life and health technology has become one of the most important topics in recent years due to the pandemic, concern over aging population, and sustainability of the healthcare system. This is one of the frontier fields of technological development which many economies are focusing on, and Hong Kong is no exception. Indeed, healthcare technology is one of the areas where Hong Kong enjoys key advantages in, and is also a strategic priority area for our I&T development. With 5 universities that rank the world top 70, 2 medical schools that rank the world top 50, as well as an army of hundreds or more of well-renowned researchers and scientists to conduct cutting-edge biotechnology R&D, Hong Kong's strong R&D capabilities and originality make us an ideal home for biotechnology or healthcare companies and research institutions. Surely we will not be complacent and will continue to spare no effort to enhance our strength and support biotechnology R&D and related activities. On the infrastructure side, we allocated 10 billion Hong Kong dollars in 2018 to launch the flagship project InnoHK Research Clusters at the Hong Kong Science Park, with a view to strengthening Hong Kong's status as a hub for international research collaboration. One of the 2 InnoHK research clusters is Health at InnoHK, which focuses on all types of healthcare-related technologies, ranging from drug discovery, personalized medicine, molecular diagnostics, to bioengineering, etc. The project has received overwhelming responses from world-class universities and research institutions. So far, 16 life or health sciences-related laboratories have been established with the participation of over 30 top-notch universities or research institutions around the world. Through the budget of 2022 to 23, we have also set aside 10 billion to support the development of life and health technology to related industry. Furthermore, we will set up an InnoLife Health Tech Hub in the Hong Kong Shenzhen Innovation and Technology Park. With the 16 life or health sciences-related laboratories in the InnoHK research clusters and 8 relevant state key laboratories as a basis, the hub will pull together top-notch research teams with a will to pursue global science and research collaboration in the relevant fields. Our strength in scientific research can definitely deliver more groundbreaking R&D outcomes for the future. By developing Hong Kong into a major R&D hub in life and health disciplines, we can continue to attract more talent from overseas and make major developments in the healthcare sector, including but not limited to telehealth, 3D printing, robotics, virtual reality, and biosensors and trackers. Apart from R&D, commercialization is also in our heart. The Hong Kong Science Park assumes an important role in promoting technological innovation in Hong Kong and driving R&D results to commercialization, among which biomedical technology is one of its key technology clusters. With focus placing on supporting biomedical research from the innovation stages, right through to letting consumers leverage the products. Last year, the biomedical technology sector grew very rapidly, where 156 biomedical technology companies and startups had established their R&D hubs at the Science Park. Besides, we see phenomenal growth for biotechnology companies to raise capital here. And I'm very proud to share that Hong Kong is currently Asia's largest and the world's second largest fundraising hub for biotechnology companies. Since the listing reforms by Hong Kong Exchange in 2018, which provided greater flexibility and facilitation for emerging and innovative companies to raise capital, 51 pre-revenue or pre-profit biotechnology companies have been listed here in Hong Kong, raising over 114 billion Hong Kong dollars through IPO. Hong Kong's unique positioning to the Greater Bay Area also makes us an unrivaled destination for cross-boundary scientific discoveries and medical findings, especially when it comes to testing and sharing new products, and to leverage the market potential of the GBA. According to the Global Innovation Index 2021, the Shenzhen, Hong Kong, Guangzhou Science and Technology clusters ranked second globally in terms of the number of patents and scientific publications. Hong Kong is an unparalleled gateway for foreign manufacturers of Chinese medicine products and medical appliances to tap into the GBA market, and enables Hong Kong to serve as an important platform for local and multinational pharmaceutical companies to venture into the vast Chinese market of 70 million consumers. And I've met one of the very famous multinational pharmaceutical companies here, and not only single one, but many here, and also through our online channels. And so welcome to Hong Kong. And Hong Kong is really very great. And I'm confident that we can build a very robust INT healthcare ecosystem here in Hong Kong. Following President Xi's visit to the Hong Kong Science Park during the 25th anniversary of the establishment of the HKSAR, he met some of Hong Kong's top scientists, academics, investors, and young entrepreneurs who unveiled a closer look into some of our city's most impressive innovations to date, with a number of them being healthcare innovation. President Xi's visit reaffirmed the country's support to Hong Kong's INT development. His kind guidance and encouragement solidify our determination to further enhance Hong Kong's INT ecosystem and to contribute to the broader INT development of our country. Along with the resources and funding put aside for our city's R&D development, the advancement in healthcare and more predominantly life and health tech are sure to carry on, and to an even more impressive extent. Hong Kong definitely has great potential in scaling new heights in the life and health technology field. Without further ado, let us hear more from our great lineups of speakers and panelists today, as they will share their insights on the latest movements in health tech, biotech, medtech within Hong Kong, the region, and on a global scale. And all the best to the young startups who are participating in the pitch competition being held towards the end of today's event. And lastly, may I wish you all a great day ahead, and thank you so much. Thank you all.
Morning, everyone. My name is Andy Wong. I'm Head of Innovation and Technology from Invest Hong Kong. I think it's always a challenge being the second speaker after Lillian. She gave a very wonderful speech. So it makes myself a bit nervous and a pleasure to continue to talk. So I think Lillian have a deliver very comprehensive overview about the innovation and technology development, particularly in the biotech sector in Hong Kong. And what I do, I may start with to introduce the what Invest Hong Kong, helping different companies in this sector. So Invest Hong Kong is a government department which help companies to land and also expand in Hong Kong. The headquarters is in Hong Kong, and also we have 31 offices all over the world, including mainland, and also Asia, and also Europe, and also America. And then we do promotion. So if you want to look for information, our colleague will provide all the information, including the current situation about the landscape in Hong Kong. And if you want to land in Hong Kong, we will help to facilitate the visa application or whatever about related to the networking function, networking to different company. And we do being a collaborator in this case. So we connect with the academic university and also with the different investor in Hong Kong and also MNC, particular for the CRO or big farmers in Hong Kong. So we acting to help to connect different parties together, to collaborate together. And as I understand from Jane, today, apart from the people who are on the stage in here, we also have about 600 people joining online. So that means that healthcare definitely will be a core sector for Hong Kong to develop further. And just a bit about the healthcare development in Hong Kong. So Lillian mentioned about different things, but I would like to try to summarize that into 3 different sectors. One is about academic and also R&D. The other is about access to the capital. The third one is about the government support. So from the academic side, so mentioned about the science part and also cyber part as well. So in here, we provide the incubation programs in particular for the biotech. We have a 4-year, $6 million kind of funding support for the incubation program. We have provided state-of-the-art kind of facility available in the what we call Translation Research Institute, led by the science part. And then apart from the incubation program, they have the state-of-the-art research lab and equipment. In about 2 years' time frame, apart from the science part, we have another big infrastructure to be built near the border across the Shenzhen. It's called Hong Kong Shenzhen Innovation and Technology Park, which is about 3 times the size of science park. So we will continue to develop the hardware infrastructure to support the ever increasing kind of the demand of the healthcare sector. And also we have the advanced manufacturing center, particular for the advanced manufacturing like a medical device for Hong Kong. To support the top-notch research, we have the Inno Hong Kong, Health at Inno Hong Kong, which is a joint collaboration with a different university together. Apart from that, we have the clinical study in Hong Kong. As we all know, that 4 hospital is accredited phase 1 clinical trial, which is recognized by NMP, and also the high quality of data, which is recognized by FDA and NMA as well. So from the market perspective, we, in the healthcare sector in Hong Kong, as you all know, 90% of healthcare service is delivered by the public and also 10% by the private. So in addition to that, we have a simple drug registration and also voluntary medical device registration scheme, which try to put the more advanced equipment to be used in Hong Kong first. And also we met with the different global pharmaceutical company today in this forum. And then everyone is eager to try to leverage Hong Kong to enter the GBA and also mainland China as well. So from the capital side, we have the Chapter 18A, which is a flexible kind of the P-revenue, P-profit kind of program to drive the development of startup or more for the listing for the access to the capital. We are the second largest PE center in Asia. And also we are the 7 times the rank in the last 13 years for the #1 IPO as well in Hong Kong. Moving to the government side, so in addition to the infrastructure bill, we also offer different venture fund, matching fund, tax incentive, R&D cash rebate, and also salary subsidized for people hiring the master or PhD degree to work in the company. And we also support the reindustrialization in Hong Kong. So I hope this is just an opening for today's healthcare sector. And then we hope that our government will always provide support to different companies who, no matter which stage of the development, can be at the early stage of development or the mid startup scaling up stage or even MNC, to set up and also expand in Hong Kong. And I wish everyone enjoy today's program and every success in the business venture. Thank you.